Hi guys, and welcome back to my Vlogmas makeup challenge video. On today's video I will play with one of my Natasha Denona eyeshadow palettes that I was not giving her so much love. And as a irony, this palette is the love palette. So this is the palette that we are going to work with today. And the idea behind this look, I got it also from the Natasha Denona Instagram page. She posted a look done by makeup by Serena Clary, and she using other palettes. She's using the Triochrome palette, but I thought there are similar shades in my Natasha Denona Love palette to be able to recreate this look. If you are interested to see how I'm going to perform this look and what I will be able to come with, then just continue to watch. I've also primed my lid using the NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer. First I'm going to start by adding this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the shade Rockstar from my half to the outer part of the lid, just to create a V shape, like a wing shape. This is a technique that I never tried on me. So this is all for the eyes. Now we are going to continue with the rest of the face makeup. so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next Vlogmas makeup challenge video. Bye you guys!